Station 109. Maybe this is the way lead me to Uncle Danny and leave my ticket here. There. And why are there not guards over here? It's just a station. Train station. With, There's a sign. Sorry, dead end. Let's just go back. And I just tell Uncle Danny that it has a dead end and I can't go with the horse. Court might be left. So slow. I hate the new. Where's the? What is this? You will die, Blaze. You will die, Blaze, and you will die. Are you kidding me? Who put this? What's happening? What's happening to my arm? Destroy. What's happening? Destroy that. No. No. This can't be. Why am I trapped? No. No!